OnPassive is illuminating. OnPassive is the shining light in our lives. The sunlight in OnPassive shines in every corner of the internet. Other companies will fade away. OnPassive will shine brightly. OnPassive is lighting up the hearts of all its founders no matter where you reside or who you are. OnPassive reaches you. Along its paths, OnPassive is exposing the competition with the power that is blinding the competition, and they cannot escape OnPassive. OnPassive is that guiding light that is leading internet users away from the darkness produced by companies they thought were helping them. OnPassive will enlightening people who use the internet to a better way of doing business. With OnPassive superior and totally digital and AI-driven products, people who want a better education, for the children, will get that education with OnPassive's massive e-learning system called O-Cademy. If they want to bless someone, they can with OnPassive's loving product called O-Bless. That is just the beginning of products produced by OnPassive that will change the landscape of doing business online. OnPassive will guide them out of poverty, despair, and hopelessness. OnPassive will exceed the imaginations of our hearts. Imagine not having to worry about existing from paycheck to paycheck. OnPassive is the path to the incredible feeling of self-worth, knowing that you have brought light into the lives of millions of people living in the darkness, because of the environment where they are forced to live. OnPassive will change those precious souls who go to bed hungry every night. Tears of sadness will be turned into tears of joy. We founders are on a search and rescue mission. OnPassive and its founders are well on the way to our humanitarian goal of leaving no one behind. OnPassive will help children and adults with special needs to live better life and fulfilling life. They will love who they are, knowing that someone cares about them. Visualize the smartest thing on earth. With a loving heart. Something that focuses on helping the lowly ones elevate themselves, and feel included and loved like others are loved. Imagine something that does not break down, cannot get tired or bored. It has boundless energy. Not caring how you look, only how you feel. That is OnPassive. Mr. Ashmafare, the brains behind the building of OnPassive, has been able to harness the heart and love he has for humanity into the core of OnPassive. Thank you, Mr. Ashmafare, and your family for having the insight to hire the best technological team ever assembled. Thanks for bringing light to all founders and to humanity. We are truly blessed. John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.